We are solving a dosing problem. Let's take a moment to read the problem. Ordered, ampicillin 60 milligrams every 8 hours as an IM injection. On hand is 125 milligrams per 5 milliliters. How many milliliters should you administer? We can solve this problem using 3 different methods. The method that you use is your choice based on what you're most comfortable with. We'll start with dimensional analysis. In the dimensional analysis approach, we'll start with the order. We'll place the order over 1. And then we'll multiply the order by a fraction that represents the concentration of the medication. We often call the concentration what's available. In this case, I'll put the 125 milligrams on the bottom to cancel the label of milligrams. I'll put the 5 milliliters that goes with it on top. Milligrams cancels, and I'm ready to do the math. So on my calculator, I'll take 60 times 5 and divide by 125 to get an answer of 2.4 milliliters. If I choose to use the nursing formula approach, the D stands for the doctor's order. In this case, the order is 60 milligrams. The H stands for what I have and must have the same label as the doctor's order. In this case, I have 125 milligrams. These labels match and cancel. The Q stands for the quantity that the have is in. This 125 milligrams is in a quantity of 5 milliliters. The Q also gives us the label for our answer. On our calculator, we'll take 60 divided by 125, multiply by 5, and we'll have an answer of 2.4 milliliters. The final approach is to use a proportion. In the proportion approach, we'll make 2 equal fractions. We'll start with the doctor's order of 60 milligrams. We would like to convert that into milliliters, and we use the variable x to represent that unknown quantity. We'll put the equal sign, and because we're making equal fractions, we'll put our labels in the same positions. So we have available to us 125 milligrams and 5 milliliters. The labels on both my fractions are matching. To solve the proportion, we multiply on the diagonals. So my first diagonal, I'll take 60 times 5 to get 300. On my second diagonal, I'll multiply to get 125x. To solve this proportion, I then need to divide by the 125 to isolate my variable. This gives the same answer as before. X is equal to 2.4 milliliters.